Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to use the Waze app in offline mode. This is super useful when you're traveling somewhere with spotty signal or want to save mobile data, so let's get started with this quick tutorial. Before you can navigate offline, you'll need to save your route while you're still connected to the internet. So first, I'm tapping the search field at the bottom of the screen. This opens up the search interface where you can enter any destination you're planning to drive to. Now I'm typing in the location where I want to go. This could be an address, a business name, or even just a general area. Once you've entered your destination, Waze will show you some suggestions, so just tap on the correct one to select it. After selecting your destination, you'll see a button that says View Routes. Go ahead and tap on it. This is where Waze shows you different route options based on current traffic conditions and estimated arrival times. You can review these options to see which one works best for you. Next, you'll notice an option that says Leave Later. Tap on it. This feature is really important because it allows Waze to save the route for future use instead of starting navigation immediately. By choosing this option, you're telling the app to prepare the route but not activate turn-by-turn directions just yet. Now you'll see a Save button appear on the screen. Tap on Save to store this route in your Waze app. Once you do this, the app downloads all the necessary map data and route information so you can access it even without an internet connection. This is the key step that makes offline navigation possible. After you've saved the route, you can now turn off your Wi-Fi connection or disable your mobile data. This confirms that you're truly in offline mode and won't be using any data during your drive. The saved route will still be accessible because Waze has already stored all the information locally on your device. Now look at the bottom of your screen and you'll see a section labeled Upcoming. Tap on it to view your saved routes. This is where Waze keeps all the destinations you've planned for later, making it easy to access them whenever you're ready to start driving. Once you're in the Upcoming section, you'll see your saved route with a button that says Go Now. Tap on Go Now and Waze will start navigating you to your destination using the offline route you saved earlier. Even without an internet connection, you'll still get turn-by-turn directions based on the route data that was downloaded, and that's it. You've successfully set up and used Waze in offline mode, which means you can navigate to your destination without worrying about losing signal or using up your data. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.